We've been talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again.
I am so bored to the point where I even went as far as making a fort. It did not turn out very beautiful. Like, I've been watching quarantine videos over the last couple of weeks, and there was a couple of YouTubers that did this, and it looks so fancy with their bottles of wine and their beautiful crisp white blankets or sheets. But no, I have this. I'm quite proud of it. I think it's good for my situation and what I had available. But yeah, it looks a lot better on the inside, guys. You just... Okay. So I only share this with very few people. It's a secret, but look. I got my chips over here. I have my laptop and of course my AirPods. And I have a nice blanket and of course some pillows. I think I'm doing pretty well. It's not that fancy, but hey, intruder, intruder. I need to get a damn lock on this place.